Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Here's my little man, who's spitting up milk as we speak.
Alright, cut.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a look with a custom Kylie Jenner palette that I created. I only have like 5 shades in here, but these are the only shades I'm going to be using today anyways. I have Jack Frost, I got Island Girl, Turks and Caicos, Lost Without You, and Royal. These are going to be what I'm using today. Alright, well, I will get started. Hey everyone, so this is my final look. I hope you guys like it. I really had fun putting this together, and I'm not really huge on like Kylie Jenner like lipsticks like I used to be anymore, but I did want to try her eyeshadow because she did come out with some pretty colors. But I did end up liking her eyeshadows. I would 10/10 recommend. They're pigmented and they're pretty. I also used for the final look these Alley Crown eyelashes. I had in my last video that were like $8 on Amazon. I used the Fenty eyeliner for the wing, and I also used the Maybelline New York for my waterline. And this glue for strip lash, I used Kiss adhesive that I used last time if you guys saw my last video. So anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know feedback, and thank you guys for watching.